Hey everyone, Jake from MowBot here. I've got my assistant Jerry with me, and today I'm going to show you how you can change your cutting disc, which follows the same process as changing the skid plate or the bearing. So I've got some examples here to show you of some broken cutting discs. So this one here, you can see that the blade screws have been stuck inside of the inserts, and you can prevent this by not over tightening your blades and changing your blades more often. And on this cutting disc here, as you can see, that the bottom has worn down, making the screw holes wider, which isn't good. So we'd have to replace this and get something that looks more like this. It's important to know that the Husqvarna Automowers have different cutting discs for each mower. So if you're not sure on which cutting disc goes for your mower, then you can contact us at MowBot and we'll help you out. So to do this, we want a drill with a T20 bit on the end and an Allen key. So first off, we'll take the 3 screws out of the bearing cover. This then releases the skid plate and bearing cover, so we can take both off like so. Then we've got our Allen key for our bearing screw. Just be careful not to round the screw. Put that to the side. The bearing will slide upwards. And then we've just got our cutting disc left. So we'll go ahead and take that off. And the cutting disc will just slide right off like that. So then you get your new cutting disc and slide it on and line it up with the screw holes. And we get our 3 small screws. And screw the cutting disc down into the cutting motor. Like so. Then we put our bearing on top and make sure that the pointy bits are facing upwards. Slides on like that. Then we get our bearing screw. Screw it down. Make sure that you don't screw it down too tight. Then we can go ahead and put our skid plate on. Then our bearing cover. And then our screws. And that's how you change your cutting disc and keep your mower happy.